Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are
Good.
you?
Good, thanks. How was your weekend?
It was good.
What did you do?
Nothing extraordinary. I read books and I learned Arabic and I practiced my English. One thing I want to appreciate about you that you made notes and you gave that. It was my first experience. I have been on Cambly for last 1.5 months, but not a single teacher did this. But it those notes were very helpful. So
Good,
I can easily know that what my mistakes are and how I have to work on them.
good. I think that it can be helpful as well. Sometimes be careful. Sometimes I do make mistakes. So, but
Which kind of mistakes? Which
just
kind of
sometimes I hear something that maybe is different, or I'm listening and writing at the same time, and so. But
no
I think
problem.
it can be helpful.
And one more thing I want to say, your name Elsa.
Mhm.
My cousin's name is also Elsa, but
Really?
we pronounce it as Ilsa, not Elsa, but the spellings are the same.
Ah, really? Oh, there
What
are
does it
so
mean in
many.
English? What does it mean in English?
Nothing. No meaning. What does it
How is
mean?
it possible?
What does it mean? First, tell me what it means for you.
I don't have any idea.
No,
I
no.
have never asked her.
Oh, okay. Okay, my explanation is that most names in English don't have a meaning. Like maybe if you really look back, like the Hebrew form of the of the original name, then maybe yes. But parents almost never choose names because of the meaning, and it's not important.
Okay, okay.
So like if I
But
really wanted to, I could look at Elizabeth because the name
mhm,
is a style is a version of Elizabeth, and then Elizabeth. But
I have just Googled it and it is showing me that Elsa is a Hebrew word and its meaning in English is love.
ah, that's the first time I've heard that. Yeah, I like it.
That's
What
good.
do you think is more difficult? Is it more difficult to learn Arabic or more difficult to learn English?
English, I think it's not difficult because there are so many words which we are speaking
Hmm.
already. And and one more thing that there are some words which are the same as in English. For example, there is a word in English, bazaar,
Oh yeah.
and we also have the word bazaar, which means market.
Yes, of course.
Then one word is like for trousers, they say pajama, and we also have it.
For trousers, to mean pajamas.
Yes,
But pajamas are not trousers.
they are kind of.
I guess so. um, I wonder why. Like bazaar, it's self-explanatory. It's a big part of culture, and somehow it got translated. Okay, that makes sense. But pajamas, why?
I don't know. And one more word, loot, LOOT.
What
It
really?
means plunder,
Yeah.
and in our language, it has the same meaning.
What? That's really random. I wonder why.
And uh, I came across an idiomatic expression few years back. It was have a deco at something. Have a deco at something. Now this deco is dekho in our language, and it means to look at something. And have a deco at something has also the same
I don't
meaning.
understand what you're saying. Deco like this.
It's DEKKO.
What? I've never heard this before. You're
A quick
teaching
look at
me.
that.
You're teaching me some idiomatic phrases.
No, no,
um, and so what does it mean in Arabic? Deco?
Not in Arabic. I'm talking about my language. My language is Urdu, not Arabic. But it is a bit similar to Arabic. We have same alphabets, and we also share a lot of
Hmm.
words. And there are some uh, English words which we pronounce a little bit differently, but they actually are British
Oh yeah.
words. For example, go down, go hyphen and
Hmm.
down.
And
It is one word. It is considered to be one word.
but
Go
why
down.
is it the place where merchandise is displayed?
Not displayed. It is a place where all this stuff is stored.
Oh,
Because in shops, you cannot put everything in the
ah,
shops. You have to have a place where you can have your stuff.
storage.
Are you getting my point? Yes,
Storage.
storage, you
Yeah,
can say.
sure. The back.
So in yes, in our language, in Urdu, uh, it is go down, but now they pronounce it and they change it in godam, not go down, but godam. So there are some words like this as well.
I see. And are there any words that are used in the same way, like English words that have just been taken? Because that's not exactly the same use, right? It's kind of been changed. Are there
Yes.
words that are the same? Like, I don't know, pizza?
Pizza is
Yeah,
pizza.
right. So, of course, those ones too.
And so many, there are some words, and we do not know what to call them in Urdu because we only use the English words.
Hmm. Yeah,
For example, elevator, lift, AC, all these
sure.
words. We do not know the Urdu meaning of these words.
Yeah, that's normal. That happens in other languages too. And in English as well. For example, sushi. We don't have a word for sushi. It is just the name, the Japanese word for
Yes.
it. Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Ah, it's so interesting.